What's up guys, Nate here. I actually worked with Mike in 2017 to help build this car behind us. It was about a 4-month project. And yeah, I wanted to have Mike walk you through kind of some of the stuff that we did together.
Yeah, so I've been fabricating for many years before I met Nate. But his knowledge after going to the fab school, hiring him was a great idea. I learned so much about all of the capabilities and how like repeatability. Every cage I would do was like a one-off with a little notepad and some drawings. But all the data and info that he's able to collect and learn how to use all of that stuff is invaluable. I mean, it is incredible. We worked on a lot of stuff on this car together. The front bash bar system is all Nate's design, modular, so small hits are just small pieces to replace. Bigger hits, he can replace bigger parts. The rear subframe also, we came up with that idea together. I knew all the weak points of the subframe, and Nate was able to turn it into SolidWorks drawings, make templates, and in the end, plasma cut parts out and build a subframe that's been in here for 5 years and has not cracked. So yeah, it's working out great, and I'm really happy to have met Nate and know him because he is very knowledgeable.